You ready for us, Keating?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Set.
Okay.
Going,
Okay.
You lead the way. And today, the big moment is coming, where we open up our new meeting bure. This meeting bure is not just for the school, it's for the community. And this is something we're really proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, it's important to note that we at Outrigger, we only help those organisations and those schools that help themselves. The Conua community has always done this. Whatever major projects and whenever we've undertaken major projects, the school management would arrange for fundraising to assist with the costs. And you've done this consistently, and you've also assisted with the construction of the meeting bure. So, school manager, we congratulate you because you've brought this community together and assisted with these projects. Manaka. A lot of people ask me today, where did we get the idea of building a meeting bure? I'm looking around and my elder friends just in front of me here. Remember about 15 months ago, we're all sitting in the old meeting shed over here. And we're having a sevu and then it started bucketing rain. And the rain started coming through the roof and up through the floorboards. And that's when I mentioned to my colleague, Mr. Kini Sarai, I said, I think they need a new meeting bure. That's where the idea came from. So we thought, how can we do this? You know, it's going to cost a lot of money, and it has cost a lot of money. The actual cost has been over $200,000 to build this new bure. So we discussed with our management team at Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort. We said, maybe this is something where we can get our guests that stay at the resort, come and be a part of. And 15 months ago, we introduced community tourism at Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort. What does this involve? We ask our guests that are staying at the resort to be involved in the construction and with the funding. And here's the crazy part. We charge them to do it. We charged every guest $100 to come and work on the project, and that was where we got the funding to build the meeting bure. But I've got to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, and also the children, each and every guest that came and had the Conua experience, they walked away and they all said it was the best day of their holiday because they actually gave back. They gave back to our community and they were able to help with the building of this bure.
Executives of the Outrigger, Jeff Shaw, one of my board members at TIF, and Koluvinaka Conua. I didn't know I was going to speak, but I don't think it's a day for speeches, but a day to say thank you. Thank you very much to the Outrigger on behalf of the government of Fiji for assisting in the community-based projects that we have. This is absolutely wonderful. And I think we shouldn't forget the people that were involved in doing this. I like the way you engage them and charge them at the same time.
Yeah.
Maybe we should tell some of the other tourism operators to do the same. No? But I'm sure they enjoyed themselves. This is a wonderful, wonderful gesture from the Outrigger, and I think it deserves a great round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please, to say thank you to the Outrigger. I wish you all the success with it. I know this is a great thing for the community, and so you mentioned something about the government not assisting with now you've got a lease. We'll make sure that something's done. Thank you very much.
E vai bina no ina taki na kalo e dola, la vede mo bila vi barotaki.
Mchiba hulumi make. La mengora buke na kai tavi. Membale se na buke ni kawadola. Tanga hona bonu idonwa. Ogwa rabo atana batu ni bono ngela mi kwambura mbura ko tonenga binani kwa. Ngubasi bina ko tombe bungu bada bene rau. Ila batencho Australia. Na batencho na kemurle bokia tu.
Please, Minister. Off you go. There we go. We've got a slideshow about.
That's where I'm good boys.
Yeah, they've got bathrooms. The next one will be the round regular. Honestly, as I say in the speech.
Did you sing all of this? This is actually really good. This is a tourism industry giving back, and I think Outrigger has taken the lead with stuff like this. So these community-based projects just help the community out quite a lot. You know, it's just not the meeting bure. There's also the school, etc. But these initiatives, I think, is wonderful too for tourists to get involved in. With this particular one, I understand the tourists actually even paid to actually come and be part of the project. So it's a great initiative. I hope and pray that a few other operators around the country will follow suit and do the same for some of our communities, because they always require assistance.
All right, sorry. Set.
Conua? Okay. Good. This is for you, for the children, eh? So special. You like it? Thank you so much. Everything you do for the children, eh? That's why we want to thank you. And this will help them in their education, eh?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is something that's for everyone that doesn't know. This is early this year we teamed up with a rugby club from Australia, Newport Junior Rugby Team, and they brought 40 young boys and their dads, and we had to renovate this room to build a computer library and also a book library. And the one thing that's been lacking has been the computers. And so on behalf of Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort, we're so proud that on this special day when we open up the meeting bure, that we can donate these computers for the kids. A lot of people ask me why we do this, and I tell you sincerely, it's because of this lady. Gentlemen, you are blessed with the best head teacher you could ever wish for, eh?
Yes, it is a very emotional day for me because I've never dreamt that we will receive the computers today. Peter had been telling me there will be a surprise for you, but then he had been telling me that it will quite take a while for the computers to arrive. And today, when I went in there, I just couldn't hold my tears, because I knew that it was too much for me, especially for the school, especially for these children. We have a roll of 83 students, and so far we have only one laptop, and it's the only laptop that connects us to for internet services to other parts of the world. And I'm so happy and so excited about this donation from the Outrigger.